Hey there everyone, Hitesh here, and we're back on Saturday Live. So I hope YouTube will send notification for people to come and join this live. And in case you are new here on this live and watching it later on, we're gonna go live every single Saturday. And apart from that, we also go live with one-on-one chat on Instagram as well. So in case you are not yet connected with me on Instagram, go ahead, connect me there. Hitesh0141 is my ID. So please go ahead and connect there. So people are coming up. As soon as you come up and join up, hit that like button too so that we can see you are here. So keep on joining, keep on hitting that like button. Hey Pramod, please hit that like button. Hey Siva, hey Gaurav Patil, how are you? Shout out my name. Hey ProBot, you're a bot. Why do you need a shout out? Sachin Singh left BBQ Wines for this. That's BB has uploaded a new video. I was not aware. I need to watch that. So hey Krishna, hey Muhammad, hey Sohail, Om, Peter, and Nikhil, Akash Dubey, and Vipin. Hey guys, as soon as you come up, as soon as you join up, hit that like button too so that I can get a notification. Yes, people are coming up. And a big cheers for Ice-T. Hey Karthike Singh, hello, best wishes. Thank you so much for the super chat. And cheers for Ice-T, everybody. Ice-T is always amazing. I am from India. A big heavy culture of tea is here. I don't drink tea much, but yeah. Hi, sir. Did saw the Avengers Endgame. It was fantastic movie. I loved Rajesh Kumar. Thank you so much for super chat. And it's not tea. We call that beer. Yeah, if you would like to have beer, that's I don't mind it at all. But I'm a big fan of iced tea. I always love iced tea. Like beer has froth. This doesn't have froth, and if beer doesn't have a froth, it's not like good. Iced tea looks huge. It's actually huge. I drink a lot of iced tea. Okay, so you watch IPL? No, I don't watch IPL. My love for cricket actually got at a very low level after Sachin. I was a big fan of Sachin. I used to just get that, but again, after Sachin, it's not that much interesting. I know Dhoni is a good player, Kohli is a good player. I don't watch cricket much. I don't watch it. Course on Electron JS. Hopefully, we're gonna explore that very soon. Uh, Please update Flutter course further, please. Actually, I am recording some Flutter videos. It's going to be updated very soon. Today, I guess I have to export 10 more videos. Drink iced tea. Hey, Vansh Narula, thank you so much for iced tea. So Flutter videos are going to coming up very soon next up. I actually hurt my ankle, so that's why I was not updating any videos or anything in last 2 or 3 days. Very bad. But now I'm okay. I'm doing good. Always feel motivated watching. Always be motivated. Why to have such of things? Always be like Captain America. Always be positive side. Bosk. To be honest, I haven't actually looked into documentation of Bosk yet. It is like it don't got my attention much. It was a language updated here. I know it is there, but haven't explored it much. Probably because of Microsoft or something. Your thoughts on block flutter? Uh, I didn't enjoy working much on the block. I still prefer, to be honest, Redux. Block is good, but somehow I'm not yet able to get connected with block. Probably I need to spend more time with that. Okay. Okay. Somebody also got uh, Shani Bhari hai. I also slipped from stairs few days back. Vanisha, no, I didn't slip. It was way worse than that, but yeah, I heard it. I hope you can understand my pain because you just gone through with that. Hi, there, sir. Avengers and Endgame. Dekh li kya aapne? Yes, of course. I watched it on Saturday night. Actually, I found a couple of subscribers and people who know me in the hall as well. Pretty fun. I offered them iced tea. Yeah, in hall also, I was drinking iced tea. So yeah, that love is always like that. I am 15-year-old and have developed 3 Android apps. You know, Sujal, I would say you have developed 3 apps. That's what I'm super happy about. I'm not much happy that you are 15-year-old because why are you mentioning your age? Some people start like at 15. I have seen even people like they are 46 and 47 and they have started to learn Android development and they have created 3 or 4 apps. So saying like I'm 46, I have created 3 apps doesn't make sense equally as it doesn't make sense. I'm 15, I have created 3 apps. So yes, you are good in that. That's awesome. But I don't think so. Mentioning your age was a good thing. So I really don't like it when people just unnecessarily mention their age. Why you want to do that? I'm not bashing you, but definitely I've seen it's much more easier to learn how to create app when you are in 13, 14, 15 as compared to when you are in 46, 48. Trust me, you will be there very soon. Okay, so somebody says $10. I don't know what that is. Hi, love from Nepal. Hey, thank you so much, Subesh Kumar Shah. Thank you so much from the love from Nepal. I would love to visit it one day. Right now, I will be visiting Delhi very soon. I started this December and turning 47 today. Hey, Joachim, that's a pretty good number, 47. You have seen a lot of world, bad part and good part. So yeah, I always appreciate people with higher number in the age because there's a lot to learn from them, not just coding. So yeah, I was saying I am coming to Delhi probably on 2nd. I will keep you posted. I will keep you updated through Instagram. It's not sure. It's actually sure. I have already done my flights for Delhi, but I'm not sure I will get more extra time. If I will get extra time, I'll definitely next trip is to Delhi on 2nd. I have an interesting meeting there. Hopefully it goes well. A lot of plans are dependent on that. So yeah, I will keep you updated on the 2nd. I will have some extra time in the evening because my return flight is a little bit delayed. So yeah, I'll update you guys in case you are free. You want to chill out, want to enjoy iced tea with me, you surely can come to Delhi airport or somewhere nearby. Delhi coders eagerly waiting. I will update on that on Instagram. It's not like a meetup or something. If you want to just say hi, hello, I will be available at airport. Nothing much to do. Tomorrow I have PGE exam for MTech and Triple IT Hyderabad. My suggestion would you would like to give? Just best of luck. It's a regular exam, so don't take it much stress. That's all I can say. You'll be doing best. I know that. You'll do best. Okay. Nathan Dude says, please suggest college. They all are the same. Don't expect that one is higher, one is lower. Surely some of the IITs and NITs stands apart, but not most of them. Most of them just forces attendance. It's just the same. Do visit Pune. Hey Nikhil Savalkar. Hopefully Pune is gonna be soon. Not yet, but yeah. Next up is for Delhi. I know, pretty sure. Age doesn't matter. GitHub matters the most. That's a nice statement, Yash. And welcome on board, Yash. In case you don't know, Yash is now a part of our amazing team at LCO. He'll be providing you more support at more platforms. So officially, he will be with us from the first, but he's still with us, and he's doing a pretty good job. So congratulations and welcome on board, Yash. Where are you from? Rahul Singh. I am from the beautiful pink city, Jaipur. I stay most of the time here, but traveling keeps on going. Sir, your FedEx talks was awesome. It's not FedEx, it's TEDx, but yeah, I got your point. Okay, any plans for South India, Kerala, Mr. Vargas? Uh, no, not yet, because I'm avoiding a bit of travel as of now because we are posting back-to-back courses. The next one is coming up very soon, probably in the first week of next month. And then we have a major update in our app coming up. Finally, we have resolved a lot of issues. So there's a super chat from Deep Raj Maurya. Which web development framework has more opportunities, market share, Django or Node.js? They both are holding equal opportunities. They are very competitive nowadays. But I have realized that in the current world, a lot of people are actually leaning towards Node.js. The reason being is through the Node.js, you can easily hire JavaScript developers, and those developers can contribute into front end as well, like React, maybe Angular, maybe React Native, maybe even Dart and Flutter as well, because it's having a similar concept and syntax with JavaScript. But compared to Python, it's a whole lot different word. Definitely, opportunities are there. It's not like Django is less anywhere. It's equally good. It's equally amazing. So yeah. Somebody is asking for Django course. We're having Django course from so many months. It's already available at Learn Code Online, along with support as well. All of your questions will be answered. Certificate also. So it's already available. Django course is available at Learn Code Online. Did you saw Endgame? Yes, of course. I have seen it, Endgame. Looks like you are not connected with me on Instagram. Hey guys, 1 minute. You just forgot to hit that like button. So go ahead and please do that first. Basic tips to new joiner in Indian IT company. Uh, One thing I would like to mention, as if you're a beginner or you're about to join into any IT company, the most important thing a lot of people think is code, but it's not. It's actually third most important thing for the new joiners. The first and foremost, hey, Fareed Khan, thank you so much for super chat. The first and most important thing as a fresher is your attitude. If uh, if you're not if your attitude is not so good, you are not respectful towards company, your senior, your employees, all these people, that's going to be the most troublesome thing. All the people or the owners of the company always like to avoid the politics. They are not successful much, but don't get into politics like right from the very first day. The second most important thing is how good you are into documenting the stuff. A lot of people think that when you go into the company you'll be just writing code. No, you need to document the stuff as well, and that's the thing most people hate. But again, it's very important that you understand the documentation part as well. You'll be doing a lot of writing work, that's okay. And third part is your code. So these are the important thing. Keep in mind, always be respectful. In some of the companies there is bullying, so please always make sure that you're contributing in company somehow. Don't just sit around, nobody likes you. You will never find it out. uh, Nikhil Chauhan says, when LCO iOS update app update is coming up? First hit that like button, then I'm going to tell you when the update is coming up. Okay, so hit that button please. 153 only. No, that's not good. Okay, 3 people hit that like button. Okay, now it's going up a little bit. So the next update is planned to be rolled out. I'm already using a newer app. In case you don't know, let me show you that. Uh, I'm already using a new version of the app. I hope I can just show you some of the hints of that. Okay, I need to connect to Wi-Fi. Why did I turn off my Wi-Fi on the phone? So the new app actually is planned up. Come on. New app is planned up for the first week of the next month. Hopefully, if this time uh, you don't have a monthly subscription membership plan like RW or few others. No, we are not looking up for monthly plans as of now, but hopefully we're going to go ahead and soon be doing that. So this is the newer version of the app, in case you can see that. This is pretty nice. So this is the newer version of the app that's going to be coming up very soon. It's pretty beautiful, nice, and you can have like home button, and these are scrollable. So this is the newer one. It's much more beautiful, much more awesome. Let me show you the login screen as well. Let me hit that sign out. So this is our first sign up screen. Yep, it's pretty beautiful. And if I click on the sign in, this is going to be the new interface. I'm using it from like last 15-20 days. I wanted to just first explore it, and then this looks pretty good compared to the last one. It's pretty good, and it's ridiculously fast, and it looks pretty beautiful. So this is what I'm going to be seeing very soon. It's already available on my phone. I've been using it for last 15 days or something, both for iOS and Android. Hopefully on 30th, we are going to roll out some of the beta updates to selected users, and probably in the first week of the next month we'll be rolling it out. It's much better. So that's it. Is it built in React Native? Um, I don't want to talk much about what are the technologies running behind this app. I think I should keep it in private. Uh, but again, sometimes I'm joining your LCO course, Python. Maybe I can see you live. Yes, of course. Yes, of course. All the students who come up to join up all these things, I do. How do you collect payments? Stripe? No, we don't use Stripe because it's having some issues in Indian payment. We use Razorpay, which is being used by almost everyone. Coursera, Zomato, Yatra, Make no Make My Trip doesn't use that, but yes, definitely Yatra does that. Zomato does that. Swiggy does that. So they are using pretty good. So yeah, I we use Razorpay. Previously, we were on Instamojo, which is definitely good, but Razorpay is better. Uh, Market of iOS developer. It's pretty good. And yes, by the way, iOS and Android app both will be rolled out by first week of the next month. Hopefully, if nothing goes wrong, because this app was planned actually. This app was planned to be rolled out in February. We lost the entire March and February too. There were some unexpected bugs that came out, and we couldn't fix it up on time. So that's why Yeah. Yashwardhan says a mug of iced tea. Hello, sir. Yeah, mug of iced tea. I love that. Yeah, the newer app is actually much more responsive, very, very fast. A lot of new options are introduced in that, so it's going to be pretty good. And definitely, we'll be working on that very soon. Struggling to collect international payment subscription payments. Yeah, it's a kind of a pain. Stripe actually doesn't allow you if you don't have a US bank account. I do have a US bank account as well. Uh, but Razorpay actually, we were having huge transaction. We still are having huge transaction at Learn Code Online. So that's why they have enabled our international transaction as well. So now we are all happy and good. But yeah, we struggled a lot in collecting payments from international user. Now it's all good. Razorpay actually handles everything for us. It's a pretty good payment gateway. We actually wanted to work directly with the Stripe, but Stripe actually doesn't work nicely in India, and India is our first priority for the user wise. So it gave us a lot of headache. But definitely, Razorpay is no less than that. In fact, now the conditions are so smooth with Razorpay, I would not leave them. Yeah, probably with the Stripe as well. I wouldn't leave that. Okay. So, but Razorpay doesn't support recurring payment international. It does actually. You have to be a special case for that, and you have to validate your case. It does support a lot of things behind the scenes. Yeah. So you have to talk to them, and you have to present your case, and based on that, they can actually allow you. So your views on competitive programming, and should I start with Android development or reactive? Competitive programming, I always have one thought that stay with it, but not for longer. If you're going to be staying longer with it, you're going to be just stuck into it. So don't stay much longer with it, like 4 or 5 months is more than enough. And after that, you can just leave the competitive programming, the bits and pieces, because I believe that when you work on a real life project, it is much more challenging, way beyond than what you're thinking in the competitive coding. Okay, so Vergis says, I call them and they say they don't. Because I'm not pretty sure about the recurring, but they do support the international one. They support the recurring payment as well, but I'm not sure they support both at the same time. They do have some of the subscription options, and I need to check out from my contact who is in the Razorpay. I need to just ask those guys, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure. But again, Razorpay is very smooth. We loved it. We honestly loved it. So Yash says, which database are you using for the app? Which app? We mostly use Firebase in the course app. MongoDB series is also pretty decent. So that's it. I don't want to talk about what we are using at the backend for the app. Okay, so sir, please explain all topic of machine learning. I think that's not possible to all topic, but yeah, I can try to explain a few of them. I will definitely. Okay, so let's pick up a couple of more questions. Uh, let's go. Lots of love from Nepal. Hey, Chetan, thank you so much. Android P course will update with new Firebase ML feature video or not? Uh, I guess Android P course right now is onto a very great stage. We don't want to just update them. Features will always keep on coming, and if we'll be updating them in just one course, it's not possible because videos do take a lot of time and effort. So I think we will not be updating it furthermore, because every next day if a feature comes up and we will be keep rolling the update, we definitely would like to charge a subscription for that instead of just one-time payment. So yeah, you know. Sir started with Node.js course of LCO, just loving it. Hey, Rohan Chaudhary, thank you so much. And you will definitely enjoy it much more at the later phase. It's pretty amazing. Hello, Harmit Chabra. Hey, hello there. What is your dream project? I think I'm already living my dream of Learn Code Online. I always wanted to have that. How can I buy your course from Nepal? We accept all credit cards and stuff, so you can use your card. And that's it. So I want to do Red Hat certification. What should I do? Definitely, Red Hat certification is something which I loved because I gave an honest exam. And you should definitely try the Red Hat exam. It's pretty amazing. I loved it, but make sure you don't see the dump or anything. You give it honestly. That's where you are going to enjoy. Abhishek Yadav says, how are you feeling? Okay, no spoilers. Please don't give spoilers to people. Let them watch the movie. Let's not give any spoilers here. Who drinks that much tea? I does. I do. And only iced tea. I don't drink the regular tea. I just hate it. And I love this one. Okay. So I learned JavaScript from YouTube series and it's literally helped me. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Probably we'll roll out a couple of more series because the MongoDB is not doing very well. That's why we are not rolling more videos to it. And definitely we need to go like not in that much advanced way. I thought I'll be including Mocha and all these stuffs into that, but definitely I think I should do it a little bit later. And I should focus on more core programming languages like JavaScript, probably Java, probably Python or something that it would be better. Which IPL team do you like? I don't watch IPL. I don't watch it. Changes after gym. A lot of changes. In fact, I am now living very healthy life. I'm in best shape. I am loving it. So yeah, I do visit gym regularly, 4 times. Your recipe of iced tea. Probably just like Peter McKinnon, I can make a video of the recipe of iced tea as well. Probably will do that. Okay, so what's the story of your gray t-shirt? I just liked it. Simple life. No need to worry about what should I wear in live, what should I wear in videos. It's just a simple life. I like it. Okay, so can we edit images with JavaScript? There might be library for that. In fact, you just think about it, and a library is there in the JavaScript right now. I need to just see it. I have never thought that I will be editing images using JavaScript. Probably. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, so sir, how to join your channel? You can just hit that subscribe button, probably, and that's how you join it. Okay. Flutter tutorials. Yes, they are gonna come. Flutter tutorials are on their way. It will be available very soon, very soon. We just don't want to hurry up in any course. We just want to just like, we want to make it absolutely perfect. Is 14 a good age for machine learning? If you know enough maths, if you know what matrices are, I think that's good. So you are also owner of Igneous Technologies. I'm owner of a couple of other companies too. I do hold a couple of shares in the new startup as well. That's investment. That's not programming. Yes, I do invest sometimes in startup as well with for some shares and stuff. I give them money. Some people require my name. I give them that. So yeah. So do you know Naveen Reddy? Yes, I know him. We are connected quite well on WhatsApp as well. We do talk whenever we get time. So yes, I know Naveen. He's a good friend. Today, a small cup of iced tea, so less time. Yeah, it's not small actually. Which is the best PHP framework? Any other suggestion? Um, I think Laravel is one of my favorite one in the PHP. It's pretty amazing. In case you want to check it out, go ahead, check it out. Coming to Boston. I am coming to Berlin, hopefully very soon. So I'll keep you updated on Instagram. Things are not yet finalized. So yeah. Okay, how is main stack as a career? It's pretty good. Wow, a new CEO. Where? New CEO? I don't know. Okay, so let's pick up a couple of, please name Asim Ghafoor. Shout out to Asim. So what to learn after vanilla JavaScript? Probably ES6. After vanilla JavaScript, you want to go into ES6, like arrow functions and all these stuff. So you might want to go with that. Okay. Wow, you travel a lot. Yes, I do travel a lot. And how much do I travel? You're gonna see that in a couple of months. It's a lot of. It's not yet fixed, but yeah, you're gonna see how much traveling I do in very soon in the coming months. Once we just roll out update for our app, and once this course is finished up, I'm actually working on a course right now. Uh, I have already recorded 10 or 11 chapters for it. Probably over like 90 videos for it are already recorded. Hopefully, it's going to come up very, very soon. We are now into the Firebase part. A couple of more sections are still there. So hopefully it's going to come out very soon. Okay, so scope in Android, of course, full-fledged scope, no problem in that. You can always go into that. What courses to do during summer holidays? Whatever you like, machine learning, Android, React, Flutter, probably some Photoshop courses would be amazing. That's actually what I'm planning to learn Photoshop this time in this summer. Okay, so any programming tools that are worth learning in 2019? There are so many, so many. And in fact, a lot of people just think that we want to learn more things into programming stuff. I think you should explore more, and probably should every programmer should get a little bit classes on color science, color theory, picking up best colors, picking up best fonts, how to make things a little bit good. So UI and UX stuff should be there in every course. And Nikhil again says, when new iOS course is coming? The new iOS course will come up when the new version of iOS will roll out. Just before that, I guess it usually rolls out around November. So we're going to roll out a new course around that time. So yeah, we don't want to roll it out right now because right now it's iOS 12. And if we're going to roll it out course, it's going to take like 2 months or so to prepare a course and publish it. And it's already like April. So it will be around available like June end or July. And we can't just roll out a course in between. So that's why. Sir, what is your t-shirt name? It has no name. It's just a gray t-shirt. What about Saturday Coding Challenge? As I said in previous couple of videos, that in the Saturday Coding Challenges, I loved actually facing issues in Laravel, starting from install. Any help? How can I help like this way in this live chat? Probably you need to try reinstall. So as I was saying, I love the Saturday Coding Challenge. Probably I'll start it in some different manner or something. The problem actually came up with the giveaways. So I was giving away some money for the Saturday Coding Challenge, and probably that was the reason why it didn't work out nicely. The thing was, whenever I was giving money to somebody, other people were getting jealous, and somehow they reached out to these winners and they were abusing them like anything. Like, your code is just pure piece of crap. Mine is so good. How could you win? You're probably having some connection with Hitesh, and they were getting all the abuse. I didn't wanted it. So that's why I stopped doing the Saturday Coding Challenges. Uh, Probably I'll start them again without the money part, without the solution part, just the challenge, and will whoever is going to submit the best one, I'll just pin it down in the comment section or something like that. So I need to think more about it so that I can just nail it down really, really better. But again, I just need to figure it out somehow. I didn't really enjoy it that the winners are facing so much of the hate just because they won it. That was bad. But again, we live in a world where positive and negatives are there. Most people are good, but some are just like super. What is your daily routine? It's always like get up, check all the emails, then take a bath, and then just sit on the desk, and then take a lunch, back onto the desk, then hit the gym, back on desk. That's mostly the day. It's not really fun, but yeah, there's nothing easy that you can get. So yeah, I do a lot of work just sitting on the. Uh, is it possible to make launcher? Where is that question? That was interesting. Is it possible to make launcher app using React Native? Never thought about it. Never thought about it because all the launcher apps usually on the core Android, they are much more easier in that. Where is your office? I have two offices. One is this one, which is studio, where I'm usually available. Another one is in the other side of Jaipur, which is Jagatpura. And there, most of the training part and staff is there. Our team actually sits there. This office is purely for me. So we have two offices. One for me personally, another one for the entire team. Okay, so shout out my name, Tejas, and app should in Java or Flutter, which is best? Both are best. No such thing as like Flutter is good and core Android is bad. No, it's not like that. Both are equally good. Both have their own stuff. Okay. How many employees are there in your office? Actually, we do have more remote workers. We have like four people actually works in our office. Like 3 or 4 people work for us remotely, and actually team handles the remote workers as well. So yeah, it's a whole lot, a lot of people. And of course, we are actually getting more people to provide you solutions and answers in the discussion section in your at Learn Code Online, because support is important. I do understand it, and it's expensive as well. I think you should also understand that. But we are hiring more people dedicatedly just to answer your questions in Learn Code Online app and website, and in a lot of courses. So definitely, we will be improving, and we will be adding more people to help you out. We have recently added one more person in our team, Yash. So he will be answering a lot of your questions. He's very active, by the way. He is very active. He doesn't get much active in the Saturdays, but rest of all day he is super super active. I like that. Please answer my question. Hey Lokesh, you forgot to write the question. Thank you so much for super chat, but you forgot to write the question. Okay, Node.js or Python? Which should I choose? Confused. Just flip a coin and decide it. Both are great. Both are great. Sir, your expected earnings. Sorry for I'm asking about. I just for know how much programmers can earn. Sorry, I think that's totally rude to ask anybody's earning. Uh, we need to understand that asking for anybody's earning is not a good thing. So you should not do that. I know most of the people flaunt about their earnings on YouTube. Hey, I earned this much. Definitely it's on the higher scale what I do, but I don't like to just flaunt it out in the market. It's not really good. I don't want to live a happy life, and also to accommodate our team, to provide them salary so that they can also live happy lives. So that is what we earn. I think that's enough. Okay, hello, what's your opinion about Microsoft boss? No opinions. I have to still go through the documentation and all that. So I love LCO and you too, bro. Thank you so much. Your love is really amazing. I always appreciate that. Okay, so Hitesh, I want to know about MuleSoft. How about a career in MuleSoft? I haven't seen much of the growth in the MuleSoft in the recent days, so I am a little bit less optimistic about that. Explain about AWS certification. They are pretty good, and in fact, all the companies who are doing big scale stuff, even like medium scale stuff, all the companies who uses anything like video streaming or something, they use AWS. It's a pretty good certification, and you don't want to do just one. You want to explore AWS quite in depth. In fact, I hope you know that the recently AWS Amazon entirely revealed their quarterly earnings, and most of their revenue came up from the AWS, so it's going pretty rock solid. All of your Netflix is streaming through AWS. I guess all the Hotstar is also streaming. I'm not sure about Hotstar, but Netflix is all streaming through AWS, nothing else. We are also streaming a lot of our courses through AWS, especially the big courses like machine learning that you see. You are able to download the videos and all these stuffs. So that are all coming up from AWS. So it's a pretty good thing, and it's pretty high in demand, especially in the area of Bangalore. It's really high in demand. Devakar Ghoshal, thank you so much for super chat. I don't know if this is a question is valid or not. If I want to ask you why your voice is completely different in voice call, hey, doesn't mean I call you, doesn't mean I'm going to call all these other people as well. Hey, Yash, come on, don't do that. I have text mining in next sem. What to expect? Expect a lot of Python that you need to learn for text mining and all these stuffs. So yeah. Okay, so shout out my name, Fazal. Hey, Fazal, shout out to you. I don't know why, but hey, shout out to you. Any new Android project? No, not so much. Just wanted to finish up what we are. So how to start learning AWS? First and foremost, get a credit card. In order to work with AWS, you need to just provide them a little bit of the money. Not much, like you can start on the free tier, but still they actually verifies your credit card. So probably there you have to spend like $1 or $2 in that. So definitely, first step is get credit card. Most of the students don't have it, and that's the biggest blockage. And after that, you can get started with that. There are a lot of things that you can learn in the AWS, how to scale up the architecture. In fact, how to build the architecture first, and how to have uh, Amazon services. It has an email segment, and there is hosting services, and how to encrypt the data. There's a whole lot of things. Probably I'd need to make an entire video on that. Uh, I was kidding. I was happy to talk to you. Yash is super excited. Usually I've seen when people join LCO, they get super, super excited. And that's the one thing I love about company, that you work for us and you have so many students and you get super excited. Hit that like button for that. Okay, so the complexity using, it just goes like that. Okay. Are you drunk? No, not at all. It's iced tea. Come on, people. Why do you think I'll drink that? I always get this question. What are you starting next on YouTube? I am planning actually to start some new stuff on YouTube. Hopefully they are going to be running up from the first week of the next month. Once we are done with this, all the current course, then definitely we'll be getting started with that. Okay, somebody is so promoting their own website as well. No, it automatically gets hide if you're going to submit any link. It's automatically going to get hide. So please, no need for that. Tarun Sharma, yeah, you are also getting hidden. So please don't do that. You're automatically hide. The automation system in the YouTube is pretty good. They automatically hide all the nonsense stuff that you're trying to do. So please don't do that. Have you seen Endgame? Yes, of course. Internship video, please. Probably I can shoot a video on that. But first, we need to get back onto our stuff. Okay, so scope in web development field. It's two thumbs up. No matter what comes up, whether it's machine learning or Android or iOS or anything, so it's not going anywhere. Okay, don't you watch IPL? No, I don't watch it. Okay, so I know the basics of Android, but I want to step forward into it. What should I do? If you know already Android, like from the basic core of it, get more into like testing of Android apps as well, or probably you want to explore something like React Native or maybe Flutter. So that's all good. Okay, so let's pick up. Use Paytm for your course. Yes, of course, you can use Paytm for course. Go into UPI section and you can use PhonePay, Paytm, Google Pay, whatever you like. So yeah, you can do that. We support UPI payments, so it's pretty good. There's a super chat from Aditya Pujari. I want to switch job in React and Node.js, but currently working on a Spring as no experience. It gets hard to find the same. Any tips? Hey Aditya, I don't think so. Finding job in the React and Node market should be really hard. Definitely, you need a portfolio. If you are looking for a job just based on the past experience, you are not going to get much of the traction. What you want to do is host up a good profile first with the own projects, probably small project like 5 or 6, and one complex project, a big one, on which you have spent like probably 15, 20 days or a month on that project. And then you can start looking up for Android. All the time I see in all of my connections asking for React developers, all the time, React and Node developers. So definitely you want to go for that. And okay, so how do I gain interest in up there? So yeah, probably we can start up a Python course as a basic one. So yeah, why do not get excited? After all, we are working with a taser. Point. That's a point. That's a valid point. Do you play PUBG? I highly avoid that. I don't. I don't read that much. Okay, will you be continuing with Flutter? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. I'm already continuing with the Flutter in the backend. You are not seeing that. You don't see on the YouTube. YouTube is just the tip of the iceberg. What happens at the backend is way more advanced. When you actually, a lot of people join us, then they realize that it's going way beyond than what you see on the YouTube. So yeah, we will be continuing the Flutter. Okay, so what's your views on MLKit and its future? I think it's a pretty rock solid future, and it's going to improve a lot. What we are seeing right now is just very few things what we can do through the machine learning kit in the Firebase. It's going to evolve a lot. It's going to evolve a lot. And actually, the whole point of machine learning is okay. Yeah, there's a super chat here by Sushil. Says cybersecurity as a career option. Good choice. Yes, of course, it's a very good choice because all these apps and website need something to be secure. So yeah, it's always a good option. Okay, so I learned. Okay, so there's a lot of questions and a lot of promotions going on. Okay, how to use GitHub for better learning? Okay, definitely you can use GitHub for learning, but I think my favorite way of learning is not just by going into the GitHub, because you won't be understanding what methods they are using. They will be just code functions being defined. So the best way to learn is always the official documentation, whether you're learning Bootstrap, Node, React, Angular, anything else at all. The always good way of learning is through documentation. So please go ahead and always do that. Can I get a job with Python certification? Certifications, I'm not sure, but with projects, you can. Definitely you can. Okay, sir, my Play console suspended last year. Now, recently I created another one. It is also going to suspend it in 2 days. Shows repeated policy violation. What can I do next for it? First, find out what kind of policy violation you are doing, because it's not ban. It's not good, and they are going to ban you for lifetime. Probably you are scraping some of the data because that's usually sometimes the case, or probably you're using some of the things like gaming or gambling. A lot of games actually use gambling and stuff, so probably you check it out because it's hard to just say that what kind of policy or violation. Because when you ask Google team that what policy I'm violating, they don't actually give you any details. Any, I know you are not going to reply me, but still I'm going to ask. I would like to know, sir, please suggest me some bachelor. First and foremost, you need to why not to become an information security expert or something. That's actually, you need to be very, very careful about your terms. And I would recommend you to join up any computer science course because that's foundation is absolutely necessary. I know a lot of courses say that you can become a hacker without any base or something. That somehow certain degree is true, but the more base, the more foundation you're going to be having with computer. And then a lot of colleges like Triple IT Hyderabad, Triple IT Ahmedabad, and all of no Triple IT Ahmedabad, is it there? I'm not sure. Triple IT Hyderabad, they offer you a lot of courses on information security, cryptography, and a whole lot of that. So you might want to try that out. So yeah. Course on blockchain development. No, not soon. Let's just be honest here. Blockchain is amazing, but actually, these crypto coins have actually killed this technology almost. I really feel so sad that this amazing blockchain thing got started in India just because of the crypto coins. And that's so sad because now it don't get much of the things and much of the traction. Nobody is interested in the blockchain because everybody just lost their interest with these crypto coins, bitcoins. I wish that some technology like some server, some backend, or maybe some services like Dropbox could have been the first to make the blockchain popular. It could have been a way better scenario. Right now, whoever wants to just join in blockchain, they all want to just make money with it, like bitcoins. They want to launch their own coins or something. So I don't think so. That's a good thing. So yeah, right now in India, it's not having an amazing future. Blockchains. You don't you guys read recently? A couple of startup also got shut down on the blockchains. People are not having any jobs or stuff. Almost on the all the coins and wallets, they all are getting shutting down. So just search it on the web. Almost everybody who is working on the blockchain are getting shut down uh, just because they are not able to make any revenue. And revenue is the most important thing. Yes, as a kid, you can say it should be free, but when you grow up, you need to pay up your bill. It's just a whole different story. So yeah. Uh, Bank, you can also say that bank should not take any percentage of the money that I'm transferring, but that's not how the world works. World actually works very differently. So okay, other channel provides all content for free, but you charge like by your site example to get access more tutorials. Yes, of course I do charge because I think my content is valuable and it should be charged. I need to pay bills to all the I need to pay salaries to all the people who support and come up and answer your questions. To provide, I need to pay bill to all the bandwidth site for which you are using and streaming the videos. I need to pay bill for that tripod, for this light, for this internet. That's how the world goes. Surely, if I would have gone into the model where I take subscription and just donation, I could have been done a different situation. But I like to take control. So yeah, we work hard and we charge for that a little bit amount. That's how we work. And so far students are super happy that what we are able to provide them. So yeah, it's a question that would you like. And again, all those people who say that teachers should not charge anything, I think you're wrong. In fact, teachers should be charging way more because they are providing more value than anybody else. Okay, let's not go into that. Okay, any freelancer work? Not right now. We have actually exported all of our work. Okay, so why is scraping bad? Scraping is bad because you are illegally accessing the data, which you shouldn't be. Probably they have some API or something. If you directly scrap that, it's against the policy of almost all websites, and in fact in the Google Play as well. Okay, so I researched about it, and they said if one console account banned by 3 apps suspension, then you cannot create another account again in your life. They automatically suspend other. Android market is too bad. Yeah, it sometimes can be. I highly recommend that Android market should upgrade a little bit. In fact, the reason why they are charging so much, like 25 for lifetime dollars, $25, that's the reason why most of the crappy app comes in. And when a genuine developer wants to publish their app, it's just lost in the market, in the crowd. Rather, compare if they would be charging just $25 every year. Only the people who wants to have like great app is be in the market. So they should change it from just $25 to lifetime. They should change it to $25 a year. Now they have a lot of stuff. How to scrape illegally free? I don't know. Why would you want to do that? Value of AWS Associate Certificate. It's high. It's high, to be very honest. But don't use this these dumps and all these stuff. Just do it regularly. It's having great value. Not just the certificate, your knowledge. Because when you'll be working in the company, you won't be working on certificate. You'll be working on actual servers. Actually, just me to make it a career. Uh, Option, and I'm facing problem in developing a little bit of complex application in Android Studio. Surely Flutter is gaining its market, but again, as I said, it is there. Okay, now there are 250 people watching and the questions are overflowing the chat. Imagine the chat with 25K people watching. Yeah, that could have been really bad, but we are lucky that we have just like 100, 200 people just come up. It's a good thing and bad thing. Bad thing because probably as a YouTuber, I would like to have like more audience. But it's good that I can talk to all these people one-on-one and have a good connection with you guys. So on the one hand, it's good. I don't mind it at all. Okay, so how world is thinking they can pay for maybe Netflix and stuff. Let's leave that. They're not much worried about. What we have to do, we are going to do that anyway. What they have to do, they are going to do anyway. So yeah. Video on Instagram API. That can be a nice one. I am 29 and can I get, okay, where is that question? I'm 29. Can I still get into software development? Yes, of course you can. One of my friend, Martin, who was above 40, 45 or something, he started web development after that and he's doing pretty, in fact, not doing pretty good. He's killing it in the market of London for freelancing in the website development. So yeah, you can start anytime. Okay. Sir, you are motivated for your motivation for JS. My motivation is exactly same for JS as it is for Python, as it is for Dart. It's all good. I just love working on every single one of them. Okay, so just a quick update for you guys. We also do a mid-afternoon around live chat on Instagram as well with one-on-one, and that is super awesome. You can directly ask me questions. I can reply to you. A lot of people watch it. It's going to be fun. So in case you have yet joined me on my Instagram, Hitesh0141, that's pin code of Jaipur. I love Jaipur. That's why it's Hitesh0141. So go ahead, join me up there as well. Okay, so let's pick up a couple of more questions. You have good friend like that. Super awesome. Yes, I do have a couple of good friends. Sunday is usually busy with them. Evening time, of course. Okay. So I think that's all what we have to do so far. And I think that's all we have to do because I'm feeling a little bit hungry. I haven't taken my dinner yet. So I'll be going up and we'll be taking my dinner now. And I hope everybody enjoyed this live session. I was able to clear up some of your queries, not much. Rest I'll try to do in my Instagram tomorrow, Hitesh0141. Till then, keep writing amazing code, keep learning more stuff. And it's not just about code, learn more stuff as well, and live a happy life and healthy too. So that's it for this one. Let me say bye-bye to a lot of you. Jatin, hey Jatin, I talked to you on Instagram. So hey Jatin, bye-bye. Ajay, bye-bye. Akshit Garg, good night. Good night to you, mate. And now it's going like really fast. Jay brother, hey Jay Breuer, bye-bye. Sachin, Lokesh, Akrit, Shub, bye-bye, bye-bye, every one of you. Let me read out a couple of names. It's actually always fun. Moesh, Chetan, it's a little bit hard to. Sovik, Aditya, Sandeep, Jotim. That's a nice name, Jotim. Kadam. One of my friend is Kadam, actually. Sovik again. Nikhil, and a man with intention. Okay, that's funny. Okay, so bye-bye. Keep enjoying and keep writing amazing code. And don't forget to show me what you are building up. That's it. Bye-bye. Join me up on Instagram as well, Hitesh0141. Bye-bye.